There is a 90% probability that the first Bitcoin spot ETFs will be approved by the SEC by January 2024. The Bitcoin ETF news has garnered widespread attention, and a substantial influx of funds is expected from companies that will finally be able to invest in the crypto market in a regulated manner. But how can we private investors benefit from this event? Firstly, it should be extremely bullish for Bitcoin, and when something is bullish for Bitcoin, it typically influences the entire crypto market. However, if we're being honest, achieving the truly massive gains seen in Bitcoin's early days may no longer be feasible in the foreseeable future. Bitcoin still holds solid potential, but to 100 times or even 1,000 times the price of Bitcoin would simply have to rise to 3.7 million or even 37 million. We can probably all agree that this is unlikely to happen in the next few months or even years, as this would require $70 to $710 trillion to flow into Bitcoin, so 100 to 1,000 times the current market cap. So if you want to speculate on a possible Bitcoin ETF and are willing to take on a bit more risk in order to achieve higher gains, the project in today's video could be of great interest to you. The project is still brand new and you can currently buy it at pre-sale prices. And the name should really pique your interest because the project is called Bitcoin ETF Token. But does this coin really have the potential to do 100 times or maybe even 1,000 times? Let's find out. Before we take a closer look at the project, we would like to clarify that this is not financial advice or a suggestion to make a purchase. Please take a careful look at each project yourself so that you can form your own opinion. So what is the Bitcoin ETF token all about, and how could it benefit from the Bitcoin spot ETFs? Well, the token has two very interesting aspects. First, it has its own news platform, which shares real-time updates about Bitcoin ETFs on various social networks, attracting attention. Second, the Bitcoin ETF token has quite interesting technical aspects that allow BTC ETF token holders to directly benefit from the potential Bitcoin ETF approvals. According to the token's website, this is something unique, and there is no other crypto token that rewards holders as soon as the first Bitcoin ETF is approved or launched. This reward system works through a pre-programmed mechanism that burns a certain number of tokens when specific real-life Bitcoin ETF events occur. This burning process makes the token deflationary, but more on this in a moment. The BTC ETF token is currently in the pre-sale phase, meaning it hasn't been listed on decentralized exchanges yet, but listings are pending and the pre-sale is selling quickly. However, this should not take too much longer as the pre-sale seems to be selling out relatively quickly. By the way, the project has undergone audit by Consult and has been checked for security gaps and risks. A very interesting feature of Bitcoin ETFs are the token burnings that occur as soon as certain events occur in connection with Bitcoin or the Bitcoin ETFs. To clarify, during a token burn, a certain number of tokens are permanently taken out of circulation, making the token deflationary. This is the opposite of what happens with the dollar or euro, where money is continuously printed, leading to an inflationary increase in the money supply. Because a token's price is influenced by the balance of supply and demand, when tokens are taken out of circulation and demand remains constant, the token's value increases. With BTC ETF, a 5% burn tax is applied immediately after the launch, but this gradually decreases to 0% over time with each transaction. There are also significant burning events, such as when the first Bitcoin ETF gets approved. And when this happens, 5% of the total supply is permanently removed from circulation and burned, making the token 5% scarcer. The same thing happens when the BTC ETF token reaches a trading volume of 100 million. The first ETF launches, the total assets under management in Bitcoin ETFs exceed $1 billion, or when Bitcoin's price finally crosses the $100,000 mark. In total, 25% of the token supply is burned through these burnings, linked to real events. In addition, you can earn real money by staking BTC ETF tokens. Depending on your share in the staking pool, you can earn returns on your staked Bitcoin ETF tokens for over 5 years. The website currently displays a return of over 1,000%, though this may change over time as more token holders stake their tokens. Nevertheless, these returns seem competitive and lucrative returns for the time being. 25% of the tokens are reserved for staking, another 25% will be burned as mentioned, and 40% are available in the current pre-sale. The remaining 10% of the total token supply is allocated for providing liquidity on decentralized exchanges. 40% of the tokens will be sold during the pre-sale phase at a value of 5 cents per token. If the pre-sale sells out, the project is expected to raise just over $12 million. Due to the news platform and the overall attention that Bitcoin ETF news is currently enjoying, the launch of the pre-sale appears to be a complete success. After all, several $100,000 have already been collected in a very short space of time. You can track the progress of the pre-sale and the current token price on the official token page through the pre-sale widget. Do you think the token sounds interesting, and would you like to invest in the only token that lets you benefit from Bitcoin ETFs? Then you can invest in the pre-sale as follows and secure BTC ETF at pre-sale prices. First, visit the official token page and access the pre-sale widget. If the pre-sale has already been sold out, you will find information on how to buy and sell the token at the trading price via decentralized exchanges. However, if the pre-sale has not yet sold out, you can choose to pay with Ethereum, USDT, or by card. Then, all you have to do is link your web or mobile wallet, select the amount you want to exchange, and confirm your purchase. That's it. What is your opinion on the Bitcoin ETF token? How much do you think the token will rise once the first Bitcoin ETF is approved? Feel free to leave your comments and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see more videos like this. See you in the next video.